Hey guys, welcome to 1322 Poe Ln, and this property is located in one of the most popular West San Jose location. And not only it is very quiet and convenient, it's close to a lot of different shopping centers such as Pruneyard, downtown Campbell, and also Westgate shopping mall.
This home is features with 4 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,503 square feet. Come on in, let's check it out.
Well, as you walk into the house, you'll come into this living room with recessed lightings, double pane windows, and it has plenty of natural lighting in this room.
Then coming through here, we have this newly remodeled kitchen with subway tiles backsplash. And leading through here, we have a cozy family room where you can sit down comfortably and look out to your backyard and enjoy the swimming pool in the backyard too.
And now on this side of the house, you'll find 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And as you see that this backyard is very spacious and it has a fenced pool and also still have plenty of room for the grass area.
So after you finish swimming, you can come through here, this easy access door to the bathroom for your shower. Isn't this a great house, Helen?
I know, I really love this house. For 1,500 square feet, it has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a fenced swimming pool and a spacious backyard. I think a lot of home buyers are gonna fall in love with this house.
I think so too. Well, hope to see you at the open house.